Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you the difference between the sport mode and the bass mode on JBL Wind 3S. So, at first I'm gonna play some music, and right now we are in the sport mode. The volume is not set to the max, and I'm not sure if you can hear it, but there is pretty much no bass in this mode. Now I'm gonna switch to the bass mode. And now we can clearly hear the bass. So definitely this mode is better if you want to truly focus on listening to the music, if you want to hear the bass. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!